Have you been feeling tired, puffy, or just off? It might be something you can't see. Silent inflammation. Unlike visible swelling, this type of inflammation hides deep inside, slowly affecting your organs and health. Many people walk around with it every day and don't even realize the damage it's doing. It starts subtly: trouble sleeping, joint pain, foggy thinking, and just not feeling like yourself. But don't panic. There are easy ways to reverse this, starting today. Hack number 1, cut down on ultra-processed foods. Sugar and refined oils are major triggers. Instead, go for anti-inflammatory powerhouses like berries, turmeric, leafy greens, and omega-3 rich foods. Hack number 2, movement. Even gentle walking can lower inflammation markers in your blood. You don't need intense workouts. Just 20 minutes a day makes a big difference. Hack number 3, sleep. Poor sleep raises inflammation. Fix your routine before bed. Turn off screens an hour before sleep. Your hormones and your cells will thank you. Hack number 4, manage stress. Chronic stress keeps your body in fight-or-flight mode. Deep breathing, journaling, and mindfulness aren't just trends, they're inflammation fighters. Hack number 5, hydrate and detox. Dehydration slows your body's natural repair systems. Warm water, green tea, and herbal blends support your lymphatic flow and reduce swelling. Still not sure if inflammation is affecting you? Ask yourself, am I tired after 8 hours of sleep? Do I have unexplained aches, skin flare-ups, or mood swings? These are common red flags. The good news? Your body knows how to heal if you give it the right support. Start small, swap your snacks, sleep better, move daily. Your cells will begin to thank you. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to heal inflammation naturally and glow from the inside out.